Nestled in the heart of Lincoln, Nebraska, 5320 South 66th Street Circle is a charming mid-century modern home that seamlessly blends classic design with contemporary comforts. Built in 1978, this residence offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and spans 2,668 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. Main level features. Upon entering, you're greeted by a spacious living area adorned with large windows that flood the space with natural light. The open concept layout connects the living room to a well-appointed kitchen, featuring ample cabinetry and modern appliances. Adjacent to the kitchen is a cozy dining area, perfect for family meals and entertaining guests. Bedrooms and bathrooms. The main floor hosts 3 generously sized bedrooms. The primary suite includes an ensuite bathroom, providing a private retreat for homeowners. The additional 2 bedrooms share a well-maintained bathroom, each offering ample closet space and comfort. Lower-level amenities. The finished basement adds versatility to the home, featuring a spacious family room ideal for gatherings, a home office, or a recreational area. This level also includes an additional bathroom and ample storage space, enhancing the home's functionality. Exterior and surroundings. Situated on a tranquil cul-de-sac, the property boasts a well-manicured lawn and mature landscaping. The backyard offers a private oasis with a patio area, perfect for outdoor dining and relaxation. An attached garage provides convenient parking and additional storage options. Additional information. Listing price, $350,000. MLS number, 22504054. This home is conveniently located near local amenities, schools, and parks, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a blend of comfort, style, and convenience in Lincoln, Nebraska.